If you're looking for a minimalistic but unique way to start a macrame wall hanging, then this knot is for you. And welcome back to BOCHIKNOT Macrame. Here is where you will find everything macrame related, from DIY pattern tutorials, tips and tricks, knot tutorials, and so much more. So if you guys are interested in following along on my macrame journey, then click that subscribe button to stay tuned for more. And then also give me a follow on Instagram at BOCHIKNOT to stay up to date on our latest designs and some quick tutorials on our Instagram reels. So if you have made a few wall hangings before and you're looking for a unique way to start a wall hanging other than using a Lark knot, then this knot tutorial may be right for you. The Lark knot is a simple and basic knot that's perfectly fine to start off most macrame projects. But if you're looking for something a little bit more unique, there are several other knots and knot patterns out there to use instead of the Lark knot to start off a macrame piece. This is the first video of an 8-part series on a unique way to start a macrame wall hanging. In this first tutorial, I'll be going over a loop mount knot, which has a little loop at the top of the dowel or the object you're attaching your cords onto to start the macrame piece. I've actually incorporated this knot into my round wall pocket here. As you can see, there are these little loops. And what's great about this knot is it adds a little bit of texture on the top of the wall hanging, which is great and makes it look more unique. If you guys are looking to learn a little bit more on creating your own macrame designs and how to apply certain knot techniques and knot patterns into your own designs and how to appropriately plan them, we do go over that in our BOCHIKNOT Macrame community on Patreon. For more details on that, you can check the link in the video description below. And with that said, let's get started.
This knot is what I call a loop knot. So all you have to do is take a strand of cord, weave it through the dowel, and make a double half-inch knot. Then take the cord at the back and make another double half-inch knot to the right side. We're going to leave a small little loop in between both double half-inch knots. And you have now completed one loop knot. This is what the pattern should look like once you have made a few more loop knots side by side with each other.
And that concludes our loop mount tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll be applying this knot into your own macrame designs as you see fit. Sometimes by changing one knot can have a really significant impact on a piece and can really make it stand out. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial today, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you stay tuned for the rest of this 8-part series on unique ways to start a macrame wall hanging. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.